Hello, welcome to the Hook Captain channel. Today I'll record another devlog related to the Hook Captain MVP. It's a no-code slash low-code IDE where we can design domains. So in the future we can generate code based on them. So for this first page we have the project's context. So we can create a project. I'll use the store app2 as the project. And here we can see two main entities inside the project, the scenes and the stories. I already created a scene, so let's open it. The scene is a board, in this case a 20 by 20 board, and in the left we have agents and map assets. The idea here is to create the user be able to create his domain, mainly enterprise domains, problem domains. So here I'll create the domain of an store. So I'll draw a store. Here we have the painter. So defining the map asset, and then we can create the path for the user. And then the store, for example, here. Okay, that's it on this first iteration. Now we have to create the agents. So I'll push the agent to his starting point, and then I'll push a house that will do for the store. Okay, and now we have to make the agent go to the store and then come back to his place. For that we will create a story. So we can go back to the project. Okay, and then we'll create another story. The first story. I didn't need to create this second one, but okay. So here we have a new story. It's based on BPM end. So we have the start event and the end event, and now we have to include a node here. So I'll include a move node. And as the label say, I'll put here move to the store. I don't remember where the store is, but I'll put 12. And here I have to select the agent. This one is the user and the other one is the house. Okay, and then we can connect the dots, and then the user is going to move to the store 12, and then we have to make him move back. So I'll delete here. Add another node. Move the user back. So 5 agent 1. Yes. Move the user to the store. Then I'll connect the nodes, and that's it. Now, if we come back to the scene, okay, we have this metadata view, where we can see, for example, the agents that we have and the position X and Y, 16, 15. So let's check if 16, 17. Okay. And now if we come back to the scene and we press play, the agent should go here to the store and then come back. He doesn't have to go through this path, but he has to go to the store. So let's see, check. Okay, we have this start event and then move to 16 and then move it back. Let's try again. Okay, he moved it, but it took a while to get there, and then the other action was fired. But the idea of this presentation was to show the improvements that we made. We have the metadata to check the nodes data. So start event, we don't have any data on there. The end event, and then the move nodes, move the user to the store, action data, and here we can improve what we are building in the other views, because these are visual programming views, the scene, and then the story, like a diagram view. But here we can check what we are adding to these views as data. And we can even debug it here. Okay, and we had some improvements, and I'd like to share them with you. Thank you. See you in some days later.